Timala zabasi kama dagbamba mala chim mala achanti se mal ngone mal kurobo mal ga mal kpankpamba mal guranse kama wala la bala ngwa za twam la NDC a chang to yule ban pa NDC yunsha la bala ngwa za twam NDC Ghana la bala ngwa mi salan twam la ban pa wabgo MPP ban pa le yunsha la two political parties ngwa e to akan yale nkam na tin social media Kaman ben sha'i pa kanna this time karatune te dang yule den karche politics ne nta post no ngoka nyezu ngo dabai Kaman John Mahama mene otuzo Ibrahim Mahama ben non dio shel ka Ghana za yabie to I cannot yule even Ghana za ne yabie to ama matured and an experience media houses but my love and thorough caption machan on ya John Mahama mean o brother problem but no my problem sharing yama Kamana nyala ma biso ka opposing ma za hazo ko tagere John Mahama nye tribe shele because opposed ma za opposed to obondo mo Kamaya the Gonja mafia. Just look at it at this angle, the Gonja mafia. Forgetting that, like the Gonja Mafia, I'm well shambala, but tagging the tribe like Mansana, Kaman House or on KFTV. Yala kara doing right because your mama yala own personality and or family like Ibrahim Mama, which got the whole Gonja kingdom. The whole Gonja kingdom to be Mansane will be bigger than these two people. So Bambongo Bandu in Skuto Cheka Tagroya as the Gonja Mafia. Let's drag tribes out of politics. Achang Savannah region, we have a constituency, Karanyala MPP MP in rural. Tishisha come to me Damango. Kanyala Gonjas Zabasenya can vote for NPP. So even I been really shall last smaller portion of Yerungawa, Abenyeka, but not important MPP. Tiyi ni mane inye kata mabiso gwaza ni chante non vego ko gwa chante tage ni the Achim mafia hand over to the Gonja mafia. So looking at it, no one posting marketing ya or want to feel bad about you posting something kind of the Gonja mafia. So you see where then dragger to channel. So if your mama did something wrong, if Bauya did something wrong, forget about Mampurugu. Don't tag his tribe. Don't tag the tribe. Just say that Mahmoud Bauya did this. Don't say the Mampuruga or and this posting the token manner from this our northerners. Because no you la page one poster full evidence about it, but I believe you share them tag or the one la no than you. But why can your mama and no you just go on to tag him like the Gonja Mafia? Like it doesn't make sense. Just say come on, you share and tag because he's your president, you voted for him. Don't tag Gonja, the taggers of us. But when no I don't go and tag man per se. Nanado I don't go and tag the Achims. Even Nanado, you refuse to tag Ashantis. You specify go and tag Achims. Just like that bias and some mentality about tribes, man. Let's move it out of politics. But solo la post no ma. Oh no, why should you just go and say the Gonja Mafia? The go and screenshot and it's about 3 to 4, 5 posts. Kasowa ka the Achim Mafia 3 like what? Achim is bigger than the whole NPP. Gonja is bigger than the whole NDC. It was there before NDC was born. Dagbamba was there before CPP and whosoever was born. And whether to Buarbe to the Bube and Kanatile presidential candidates, Ghanaian and Lele, Ghanaian Somomi and Lele Masa. He will be one of Ghanaian tribes. He will be one of us. So if someone is one of us, Kalidra, if Odu is Zion, balance your code. Why should we just like we be mailing here to why should we just this stupid post in like na mala onye Muslim so tie ya Muslim ye to apopun ka ti ye na onje se kan mai won yan za Muslim so katam na kar ko nyel hala nan da shewa ga Muslim se ba satel Abdul Basit Kwechire on KFTV, Kaman How program. So, hey, let me forget. Enter Lantera. Sam George member ya enter Tamala box. Sam George, Honorable Sam George, and His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. We are coming out with Tinye Kaba, but Tabule Spam. Don't cannot with it on KFTV with the discussions. And you're new to our channel, think and subscribe because anytime you drop a content, I am Pahlabe and Europe. Abdul Basit Kuchir Akola as always. Can yara ya share mama. The Bible hankal to command how to analyze the shamba. Your analysis and your comments are welcome to hear it in me. Anti Shambe Tumbe will pack a year Shelma is welcome on our comment box. Peace out. Keep watching Kaman How for more.
Wulaki tumne tumber kazi ambor nyemte heavy. Kaman How. Wulaki nyevenya adanka yetum la 247.